Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, our go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the world of oral hygiene with a review of the Suri Sustainable Sonic Toothbrush. Now, this toothbrush isn't just about giving you a dazzling smile. It's also on a mission to save the planet. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Alright, let's kick things off with the design. The Suri toothbrush boasts an eco-friendly design with its plant-based brush heads and recyclable materials. But it's not just about sustainability. This toothbrush also scores major points in the aesthetics department. The sleek aluminum frame feels solid in the hand, and I love the minimalist design that's both functional and stylish. Now, let's talk features. One standout feature is the impressive battery life, clocking in at over 40 days of use on a single charge. And when it does need a recharge, it's lightning fast, taking just 4 hours to reach full power. Plus, the included UVC cleaning light in the travel case is a game changer, killing 99.9% of harmful bacteria in just 1 minute. It's like having a mini sanitization station for your toothbrush wherever you go. But how does it perform? Well, I've been putting this toothbrush through its paces for the past few weeks, and I've got to say, I'm impressed. The sonic vibrations clocking in at 33,000 times per minute provide a deep and thorough clean, while the brush head's wave-shaped bristles ensure no plaque is left behind. And despite its powerful performance, it operates whisper quietly at just 54 decibels, making it perfect for those late-night brushing sessions. So, should you invest in the Suri Sustainable Sonic Toothbrush? Absolutely. With its winning combination of sustainability, premium features, and top-notch performance, it's a real contender in the electric toothbrush market. Whether you're an eco-conscious consumer or just someone who wants a superior brushing experience, the Suri toothbrush has got you covered. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews like this. Until next time, happy brushing!